If you want to learn makeup, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज मैं आपके साथ ये basic look share करने वाली हूँ. If you are interested, then keep on watching. Always start the makeup with the skincare, and here I am applying the moisturizer. Next step is color correcting. This is Insight's Pro Concealer Palette. मैं ये orange shade ले रही हूँ. And if you have less pigmentation, then you can go for the light brown color which is present in this palette. So what color correcting does, it hides the pigmentation. So I have pigmentation around my mouth, on my forehead and under my eyes. So I am applying the concealer there. After applying the concealer, मैं अब एक damp beauty blender ले रही हूँ. With the help of beauty blender, I am dabbing the product into my skin. यूजुअली कलर करेक्टर जो होता है वो डार्क सर्कल्स को हाइड करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ इट टू कंसील स्किन imperfections, wrinkles as well as fine lines. The next step is foundation. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 238. So first I am taking a little product on the back of my hand. With the help of my fingers, I am dotting the product all over my face. And don't forget your neck. After that, now I'm taking a damp beauty blender and blending the product into my skin. अगर हम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को यूज़ करते हैं ब्रशेस की जगह, सो ये बहुत ही इवन टोन लुक देता है. Now I'm taking a little more product and applying it wherever it is needed. फाउंडेशन को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने के बाद हम जाएंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे, विच इज़ कंसीलर. Here I am using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. So जो कंसीलर होता है that is one shade light to the skin tone so that it can highlight the face. So now here I am using the same blender and blending the product. Because अब हमने सभी क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करे हैं, so it is necessary to set the face. So here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and with the help of a fluffy brush I am dusting the powder onto my face. So this will mattify the face. Now I am taking this contour and highlighting palette for contouring, highlighting and as a blush. So सबसे पहले मैं ये ब्राउन शेड ले रही हूँ to contour my face and applying it in the hollow of my cheekbones. So it brings back the shape of the face. After that I am taking the peachy pink shade from the same palette and applying it on my cheeks. Always blend the brush in the upward direction. And to give the glow to my face, I am using the lightest shade from that palette and applying it on my cheekbones. You can see it instantly gives a glow to the face. Base makeup complete हो चुका है and now it's turn for eyes. So firstly I am taking this brown shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eye and blending it inwards. After that, for the other half of the eye, I am taking this shimmery color and applying it on the eye. Now we have to blend both the color together so that there is no harsh lines and it looks seamless. I followed the same steps on the other eye and our simple eye makeup look is done. Now it's time for liner. Here I am using Lakme's Insta liner. It is waterproof and long lasting. I am going for a wing liner look which will look great with this eye makeup. Now it's time for mascara. Here I am using Maybelline New York Hypercurl mascara which is long lasting. It instantly gives long lashes. Now the last step is lipstick. I am using this purple shade which is complementing the nude eyes and our look is complete. So with this the look is complete. I hope you like the look. See you in my next video. Bye.